consumption of food and drinks is not allowed on the shuttle. Thank you.
These are the 3-4 places where everybody comes. This is that hotel, Marina Bay, and a very popular place. There's the HSBC building, and then that roller coaster was also visible, you know. Now we have taken this MRT. It costs $3, and then you can see that roller coaster also. On way, and this is one of the best places where one can move about the whole day and enjoy the scenery of the Singapore's iconic buildings without even spending a single penny. You can enjoy it. Oh yes. Now we are going to the next destination, the Flower Dome, and I hope we find something interesting over here and not the way we had that flower fantasy. That was a joke. This is the shuttle stop, and this cloud forest as well as that flower dome. They are just dome word you can read from here. They are just adjacent to each other, side by side, but they have been able to sell tourism very well. Whatever little I have seen at that flower fantasy was nothing. Even our Chandigarh gardens are much better looking, more serene and more relaxing than what we have seen. Almost 50% of the flowers over there, they were artificial. But yet Indians are ready to spend 2,000, 3,000 rupees per person over there to see that garden which you can stroll through in walk through in just about 5-7 minutes only. Then between that two buildings you can see that Deutsche Bank building is also available. Let's all Indians come together, and that's another attraction, and we have spent about 7,000 rupees each for visiting these few of the places. And I'd request all Indians that you promote tourism within our country. There are so many good places to visit in India, rather than coming over here spending thousands of rupees on air travel and then watching things which are not worth watching even. So the Flower Dome looks from the first floor downside. If you expand, you can find oranges also there, and then this is another variety of lemons in the garden.